Ever wanted to write a book but didn't know where to start? In this episode of Internet Paydays, we're showing you how to use ChatGPT to write and sell your own eBooks or digital guides without being a professional writer. This is one of the fastest ways to package what you know and turn it into passive income. You don't need years of experience or a fancy degree. You just need a topic people care about and the right tools to bring it to life. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create, format, and sell your first digital product. So let's dive in. Why eBooks are a great side hustle. eBooks and guides are easy to create, cost nothing to deliver, and can sell over and over again. Once you create your ebook, it becomes a digital asset that works for you 24/7. People buy how-to guides, niche knowledge like fitness, finance, parenting, and more, productivity or mindset tips, industry-specific blueprints, and with ChatGPT, you can create these in a few hours. Not weeks, not months, just a few focused hours of your time. The best part? There's no inventory, no shipping, and no overhead costs. You create it once and sell it forever. That's true passive income. What to write about? Start with a niche you already know or are curious about. Think about the questions people ask you all the time. Think about problems you've solved in your own life. Here are some examples. 30-day meal prep plan for beginners. How to start freelancing with AI. Budgeting guide for college students. Side hustles for stay-at-home parents. Dash beginner's guide to starting a podcast. How to get your first 1,000 Instagram followers. Your ebook doesn't have to be 300 pages long. In fact, shorter is often better. People want quick wins and actionable advice. They don't want fluff. Use ChatGPT to generate chapter outlines and research fast. You can even ask it to suggest trending topics in your niche. The tool does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on adding your unique voice and perspective. Tools you need. Here's your author toolkit. And the good news is, most of these are free or very affordable. ChatGPT, generate outlines, write sections, edit content, and even create your sales copy. Canva, format your ebook into a PDF with clean design. Canva has free templates specifically for ebooks. Google Docs, collaborate or edit on the go. It's simple and cloud-based. Gumroad, sell digital downloads easily. No coding or website needed. Payhip or Etsy, optional storefronts to list your ebook and reach more buyers. Bitly, track your product links and see where your traffic is coming from. You don't need a publisher, you don't need an agent. You don't even need a fancy website, just solid content and a clean format. That's it. If you want to get a little more advanced, you can also use tools like ConvertKit or MailerLite to build an email list. But for your first ebook, keep it simple. How to write an ebook with ChatGPT. All right, let's get into the step-by-step process. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT. Give me an outline for an ebook on your topic. Let's say your topic is meal prepping. You'd type, give me an outline for an ebook on meal prepping for beginners. Step 2. Prompt, write chapter 1 based on the outline. Copy and paste the chapter title and ask ChatGPT to write it out. You'll get a solid first draft instantly. Step 3. Edit or personalize with your own experiences or examples. This is where you add your voice. Share a story. Add a tip you learned the hard way. Make it yours. Step 4. Repeat until complete. Aim for 20 to 40 pages. That's the sweet spot for a short, high-value ebook. You don't need to write a novel. Step 5. Use Canva or Google Docs to turn it into a polished PDF. Choose a clean template. Add some images or icons. Make it easy to read and visually appealing. Done in a day, ready to sell forever. Seriously, you can go from idea to finished product in less than 24 hours. How to sell your ebook. Now let's talk about making money. Creating the ebook is only half the battle. You need to get it in front of buyers. Upload your PDF to Gumroad or Payhip. These platforms handle payments, delivery, and even give you a checkout page. Set a price. $5 to $20 is typical for short ebooks. Don't undersell yourself. If it solves a real problem, people will pay. Write a catchy title and description with ChatGPT. Ask it, write a product description for my ebook on your topic. Use emotional language and focus on the transformation your ebook provides. Use mock-ups in Canva to make it look professional. A 3D mock-up of your ebook on a tablet or laptop makes it feel more legit. First impressions matter. Share it on TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest using short videos and stories. Show behind the scenes. Talk about why you created it. Share a page or two as a teaser. Every post equals more chances to sell. Consistency is key. You can also join Facebook groups, Reddit communities, or niche forums where your ideal reader hangs out. Promo ideas. Let's talk promotion strategies. You need eyeballs on your ebook if you want sales. Give away a free mini guide to collect emails. Offer a 5-page checklist or cheat sheet in exchange for an email address. Then pitch your full ebook in a follow-up email. Use TikTok hooks like, "I made $300 selling a guide ChatGPT helped me write." People love proof. Show your Gumroad dashboard. Share your story. Repurpose your ebook into blog posts, emails, or content. Turn each chapter into a YouTube video or Instagram carousel. Maximize your content. Bundle it with related products. For example, templates, checklists, or worksheets. Add more value and charge a bit more. Build once, promote forever. Your ebook can keep making you money months or even years from now if you keep promoting it smartly. Common mistakes to avoid. Before you go all in, let's talk about what not to do. These are the mistakes I see beginners make all the time. Mistake number 1, making it too long. Don't aim for 200 pages. That's overwhelming for you to create and for people to read. Keep it focused. 20 to 40 pages of pure value beats 100 pages of fluff every single time. Mistake number 2, publishing without editing. Yes, ChatGPT writes fast, but it's not perfect. Read through everything, fix awkward phrases, add your personality. A polished ebook builds trust and gets better reviews. Mistake number 3, pricing too low or too high. Don't sell yourself short at $1 or $2, but don't charge $50 for a 30-page guide either. Research similar products in your niche. Price competitively, but confidently. Mistake number 4, no clear call to action. Your ebook should tell readers what to do next. Whether it's implementing a strategy, joining your email list, or checking out your other products. Mistake number 5, creating it and forgetting it. Your ebook won't sell itself. You need to promote it consistently. Set a reminder to share it weekly. Talk about it in different ways. Keep it visible. Avoid these pitfalls and you'll be way ahead of most people who try this. Learn from others' mistakes so you don't have to make them yourself. You don't need to be a writer, you just need to be an action taker. The tools are here. The process is simple, the opportunity is real. Use ChatGPT, Canva, and Gumroad to create and sell your first ebook this week. Subscribe to Internet Paydays and drop a comment with your ebook idea. I'll help you shape it into something that sells. Let's turn your knowledge into income together. Thanks for watching. Now go create something. I'll see you in the next episode.